Are you tired of missing deadlines and feeling overwhelmed with architectural projects? Want to speed up your workflow without sacrificing quality? In this video, I'm going to share 5 time-saving tips every architect should know to improve efficiency and meet those tight deadlines. Stick around, because these strategies will change the way you work. Tip number 1. Use pre-designed templates and blocks. Whether it's a standard floor plan or furniture layouts, having a template library will save you hours of work. AutoCAD and Revit both offer plenty of pre-made blocks and templates for common architectural elements. Tip number 2. Master keyboard shortcuts. This might seem small, but it's a game changer. Using shortcuts for commands like copy, paste, zoom and pan can save you seconds with every action, and that adds up over hours, days and weeks. Take the time to learn the key shortcuts for your most used tools. Tip number 3. Organize your files and layers. One of the best ways to save time on a project is by keeping everything well organized. Whether it's layers in AutoCAD or families in Revit, proper organization allows for quicker modifications and smoother collaboration with your team. Tip number 4. Automate repetitive tasks. Tools like Autolisp in AutoCAD and Dynamo in Revit allow you to automate repetitive tasks, like creating repetitive geometry or changing parameters in bulk. This can free up a lot of time for more creative work. Tip number 5. Leverage cloud collaboration tools. Tools like BIM 360 and Google Drive allow you to collaborate with your team in real time, reducing the back and forth and eliminating delays caused by emailing large files. Everyone on the team can access, edit and comment on designs simultaneously. There you have it, 5 time-saving tips to improve your workflow and boost your productivity on architectural projects. By implementing these strategies, you'll find yourself working smarter, not harder. If you need help mastering these tips or want personalized consulting to streamline your processes, I'm here to guide you.